Okay. Here is the Nick box. This is the Halloween box. It's the little card. This is the only thing I know in the box so far. And it's an Aw Real Monsters umbrella.
Umbrella?
Yeah, umbrella.
Mama.
And here is Are You Afraid of the Dark socks. Oh, another one of the Ninja Turtle ice cream pop vinyl things. Now we've got two of these. Oh, now don't open the umbrella, please. Then, I think this is, oh, this is a pin from Are You Afraid of the Dark? But it looks like it like opens up. It's heavy too. Oh, it does. It's cute. It's a little door and it opens up. Oh, that's creepy. What is that? Zeke the Plumber. Oh, it's a t-shirt. I don't even know what that is. From Salute Your Shorts. I don't know this, so that's creepy though. I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like creepy things. This is a 220 piece puzzle. Then pizza mask. Oh, all that. And then look, it's Chucky. That's Caleb's favorite Rugrats character. And then he got this Chucky planter. That's my favorite thing out of this box, I think. I love that. Okay. And that is it for this Nick box.